What's up YouTube, it's your girl Miss Ombeka here. I'm back with another fun breakfast recipe to try out. Today I'll be preparing the Ugandan pancakes, which are traditionally known as Kabalagala. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. Guys, don't kill me yet. Yeah. These are the ingredients we will be needing for the Kabalagala recipe. First we need sweet bananas, then we need baking powder, and then cassava flour. I will be using this blender to blend my sweet bananas. I hope I'm not killing the culture, guys, because I know most people mash their bananas instead. Keep in mind we talk health on this channel, and I do consider this recipe to be a healthy one because there are no added sugars whatsoever, and the cassava flour is as organic as it can be. This is me peeling the sweet bananas. I do not know why I'm looking so mad today in this video. Who hurt me, guys? Because I don't know why I'm looking so mad. It's nothing really personal, but I'm enjoying the entire process for sure. A little backstory about the Kabalagala. Guys, it's my first time to prepare these pancakes. I first had the pancakes sometime last year when my good friend with a Ugandan ancestry, of course, brought the pancakes to work. And my first question was, why on earth do you call these pancakes? As a Kenyan, I presented my valid argument because the pancakes that I know are the famous British pancakes, where you just use water, milk, and wheat flour, and then you just mix them and pour on the pan. We went on and on, and I was so amazed by the fact that as Africans, we still have our own way of doing things. Even though most of the knowledge that we have was embedded in us by the British, we still find a way to connect with our roots. So thank you so much, Uganda, for leading us that way. I'm not quite sure if there is a traditional pancake recipe in Kenya, but if there is, please educate us on the comment section. If you have a traditional pancake recipe from your country of origin, please also comment on the comment section below. It will be a nice thing to know. I have blended the sweet bananas and transferred the solution to a mixing bowl. I also added the baking powder, and I'm now adding the flour to start kneading to a texture that I want. Ugandans in the building, don't keep quiet. If you see something, say something. I'm going to be using the extra virgin olive oil to fry the pancakes. So one thing about the cassava flour is that it's not so sticky like the wheat flour, so you have to be very careful on how you use it. And I think you just have to learn your way through it. It's not been so hard for me, but yeah, I felt like it can be hard for other people. So guys, this is a safety tip. If you have kids, don't always put this handle to face this side. Always put it away from the way, because a kid can just pull it down, or not even a kid, even somebody passing can just pass with the handle and they might get burnt because the oil is so hot, especially right now. Yeah. So the oil is hot, it's ready to fry. I'm just going to dip the pancakes in the oil and wait for them to cook. I'm also playing around with the heat because I don't know which heat is good for the pancakes yet. So I'll just play around until I find what works for me. So guys, this is our end product. I really hope I learn how to pronounce the word nicely. Kabalagala, yeah. So the kabalagala are so appealing to the eye, and they do taste exactly how they look. They're just a little bit stiffer than I expected. So let me know in the comment section of how I did or any other improvements that I need to make. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. I do not take this for granted. To my newest subscribers, welcome to the Miss Baker Hub. This is where good things happen. Feel at home. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to help a girl out, and I will appreciate that. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.